Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the on-chain Dynamics token. Now this token has about a day left of their pre-sale here. They're actually trending number 2 right now on Pink Sale, doing very well. Ticker symbol is OCD. This token has almost 200 investors contributed to this pre-sale so far. This is a public pre-sale. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral code for the best crypto apps, so you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description. And let's get into this token. So on-chain Dynamics, the next level of trading tools. So welcome to on-chain Dynamics. Step into a transformative era of crypto trading with the comprehensive tools offered by OCD. Our advanced suite of trading bots isn't just feature-rich, it's designed to redefine trading standards. Whether you're a crypto novice or a seasoned veteran, on-chain Dynamics aims to elevate your trading potential and set new benchmarks for your profit goals. So they have the OCD trading tools, cutting-edge tools and capabilities. They have a sniper bot, a trading algorithm designed to quickly execute trades at specific conditions, capitalizing on fleeting market opportunities. They have the algorithmic trading, the automated execution of trades based on predefined criteria and strategies using computer and AI algorithms. They have the MEV bot, so identifies and capitalizes on profitable on-chain opportunities by leveraging the ability to reorder or censor transactions within a block. We have flash swap arbitrage, strategy that leverages instant borrowing in DeFi protocols to exploit price discrepancies between assets across different platforms without initial capital. Copy trading. So copy trading is a strategy where investors automatically replicate the trades of experienced and successful traders in real time. Telegram and Discord bots. Automated scripts on messaging platforms to execute trades based on signals or specific conditions communicated within these channels. Some of the features and options currently available are the mempool scanner, so scans the mempool for transactions and snipes your desired tokens in a few milliseconds. Contract audits. Our contract audit can prevent you from most honeypots and scam tokens to protect your investments. Profit selling. Immediately sell tokens after X amount of profit is made. Live dashboard, integrated real-time tracking to keep up to date with your current trades. Integrated charts. View real-time charts so you can track your profits in our intuitive UI. Anti-MEV solutions. Shield your trades with private transactions and front-run protection. On-chain swaps, so high-speed swaps processed directly on the blockchain, ensuring security and transparency. And stop-loss protection, so safeguard your investments by setting a threshold for automatic selling if losses reach a certain level. Some of the features and options, they have balance checking, so instantly view your wallet balances using our user-friendly interface to stay informed. Token tax protection. Our tax guard allows you to set limits and protect yourself against high tax scam tokens. Snipe any contract method ID. Select a method ID from the contract and listen to the mempool pending transactions. Liquidity value checker. Our bots will only place orders if the value of the added liquidity meets your requirements. Multi-wallet support. Add multiple wallets to expand your capabilities and maximize trading opportunities. Add your own private node. Personalize your trading environment by adding custom HTTPs and WSS providers. Also, instant sell. Take control of your trades by executing an instant sell wherever you want. Customize slippage and GWEI. Set custom slippage and gas price values depending for fine-tuned strategies. So they have a roadmap on here, basically scaling to new heights, premium platform features, building the foundation, ensuring security and transparency, creating user adoption and awareness, token launch and community growth, partnerships and collaborations, post-launch marketing strategies, increase active user base, and eventually they're going to come out also with rewards and token staking. So 50% revenue sharing. All holders with 0.25% or more of the OCD token in the wallet receive 50% revenue from the bots combined. There's a referral system where you could earn fees that way. And 10% discounts on the Trading Tools platform for owning more than 0.25% of tokens. Now they have a market overview. Tokenomics are split up like this. So 5% of the tokens go to seed investors, 10% private sale, 5% team allocation, 10% central exchange listings, rewards, and marketing, 10% public pre-sale, 5% liquidity pools, and 55% trading tools. Which brings me to this token being live right now on Pink Sale for purchase. You can get this token right now on Pink Sale. This is an Ethereum token. So they set their soft cap at 5 Ethereum, and they've already reached 132.59 Ethereum worth of tokens. Now, this pre-sale will continue basically until, let's see here, August 31st at 20 hours UTC time. Then the pre-sale will be over. If you missed the pre-sale, you can get the token shortly after on Uniswap by funding your Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and trading your ETH for the on-chain Dynamics token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, onchaindynamics.io. Now, liquidity will also be locked for 400 days on Uniswap. There's a total supply of 1 billion OCD tokens, 18 decimal places on this token. Initial market cap estimate, $330,000. And they do have a full audit you could check out on Pink Sale by Spywolf Network. You can view all their socials. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find this project. And there is also a quick audit by Solid Proof in the discussion section on Pink Sale. You could check that out as well. All good check marks. There's no warnings on it at all. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.